Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how you can add voiceover on your iPhone on iMovie. First, you select the iMovie app, select create new project, and then you select your video. After you select your video, you will go to add media, and then you will select the voiceover, and then after that you are ready to do whatever you want. After you record yourself, you can review it, and if you're not happy with it, you can retake it and then you can accept it. Good morning, beautiful. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and come back again. Bye.